How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. Apple just released the iOS 15 and I'm very excited to show you on the iPhone XR. This is a very interesting and important update, I believe, for many users because brings about 300 and plus new cool features. So very excited. The supported devices are iPhone 6s, iPhone SE, iPhone 7, iPhone 8 and so on. This is a very important, in my opinion, a software update for Apple users, especially for the oldest devices such as 6s and SE. So make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications because I'm gonna upload a video about these two iconic iPhones tomorrow. Very excited to do the video for iPhone 6s and iPhone XR and SE, I believe. So yeah, so let's now focus on the XR on the iOS 15. So the update was around 3 gigabytes. So if you have an iPhone 6s or iPhone SE or iPhone 7, the update will be about 2.5 gigabytes. So I'm not gonna go to all the features, but basically we have about 300 and plus new cool features. So as you can see here, we have the new cool features for FaceTime, messaging, Memoji, as you can see here, focus. This is a very interesting feature I'll show you now. Also have a maps. So we have a lot of new cool features which I'm very excited. Safari, wallet, live text, spotlight, photos, and as you can see the list goes on. So this update is very important because brings again very interesting features. One of my favorite feature, I believe, is, I don't know, this is just it's a weather app. It's a weather app feature, but it's so cool in my opinion. So let's go to the weather app now. As you can see, I'm in London and this is the actual weather right now. And as you can see, the animation is it's dark, it's night, as you can see. It's cloudy, but let's say we move the location. So for example, if you go to Edinburgh, pretty much is the same, but let's move to another location. As you can see, Dubai, pretty much it's night there. As you can see, the stars. But let's move to United States, Chicago. Chicago or Chicago, I don't know how to say it right. So as you can see, it's daylight there and it's day, so as you can see the clouds. But let's move to another location, Mexico City, pretty much the same. So you get the point. Basically, depends of your location, it will show the real time, if it's cloudy, if it's raining. Plus we have a very interesting design of the weather app with all the information here. Again, this is amazing. I love it. Another cool feature is the FaceTime feature. So basically the update brings so when you're on a face call time, so basically blurs the background, which is, again, this is very interesting. Also you can share links in the FaceTime app, and I think for the first time, I believe, Android users can join the FaceTime call up to 6 people, I think. But this is a very interesting new cool feature in my opinion. The other cool feature is focus. So the focus basically is the do not disturb app function, but this is more advanced. So for example, as you can see here, we have the not disturb, we have a work, sleep. So you can make sure that, let's say if you're at work, you're not allowed to use your social media apps, you can disable that, or phone calls. So you can tweak this in a way that you prefer. So again, this is a very cool feature. So I'm very excited for this update because it brings a lot of new cool features. So this just was a quick video, guys, about the iPhone XR on the iOS 15. Very excited for this update, so make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications to see my next video. It's gonna be with the iPhone SE first generation and iPhone 6s. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.